Hey guys, welcome back to the Hobby Farm Homestead. Finally got started on the hay barn back here. We went ahead and tore the steel off one side, as you can see right there. It didn't take too long, took about 2 hours to get that all tore off. So now what we need to do is get into replacing some wood. Some of the wood is pretty rotted, especially the fascia board. I'm going to put all new fascia on it and all new eave boards on the gable ends. And some of the purlins need to be replaced, but the rest of them, everything is in decent shape. So we will go ahead and get that stuff replaced and continue on with this project. The metal hasn't showed up yet, so that'll probably be in a different video, putting the metal on. But I'm going to go ahead and get this side prepped for the metal install, and the other side needs tore off yet. I don't know if I'll get that all done in this video or not, but for now, let's go ahead and get everything prepped for the metal. All right. Okay, now that we got all the old fascia off, I am going to scab on a 2x6 on that end of that eave and on the end of this eave where I want it, and then I'm going to run a string line all the way down, and then I'm going to scab each one of these eaves. That way that'll give me a nice straight line on my fascia board, and then at least I got that straight line. Now up this eave we'll get a new fascia, or not fascia, but new eave board, and same thing on that one. That one's got one on there. It's not in too bad a shape, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and replace it anyhow. It just I'm up here doing it, might as well. So all right, let's go down and get these two pieces cut first and get them screwed on, and then we'll go ahead and get that string line ran. All right, so I'm going to put a 912 on this end. That's my 912 angle. And I'll go back about this much. Square cut. Put it on there. It's square. You always want to use your original piece for a template. That way if you do get off a little bit, it doesn't get progressively worse through all your other cuts, especially if you're tracing. got it. I got it. We'll go. We'll go.
I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Oh, it goes right there?
No.
Oh.
Getting it lined up so I can get screwing.
Zoom. It's okay.
All right, guys, I think I'm gonna call it a day. This is day 2 on this roof, on this one side. I'm wore out. Moving these ladders and walk boards and all that stuff, it just wears you out. So at least I got one piece of fascia on. I got all my scab boards on. Everything's pretty straight and square now. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the fascia up tomorrow, and this side will be ready for metal. So hopefully next weekend I'll be putting metal on this side and it'll be wrapped up, and then we'll move over to the next side. But until then, guys, if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. It helps the channel. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the bell notification so you guys can see all the videos that I upload. I try to upload once or twice a week on full-length videos, and I do shorts here and there, what I can. I'm not sure if I really like the shorts though, but it is what it is. All right, guys, I will catch you on the next one.